Today is August 25th, 2025, and this today's watch list for SPY. Historical August, known as the worst month. I don't know. I feel like a lot of that is just a mentality thing. I know that it possibly is, and the market does show it, but it still gave some pretty good areas to take some trades. For today's news, we do have new home sales at 10 o'clock. Other from that, we're pretty much free to trade. We do have a pretty hectic week this week for Thursday and Friday with prelim GDP and also PCE on Thursday and Friday. That is the news that we have dropping for today. Let's get into the levels. Currently on today's watch list, we are currently around last night's from this morning's pre-market. What I do want to see is a possibility is us having the momentum to continue moving lower depending on the price action. Currently, I do like that we have this nice little downtrend happening. What I like to see is us kind of come up, retrade this level, prove that we're turning this into resistance, because as you can see, one touch, two touch, there's also another touch, there's three touches there, which kind of we would call this the battle area. What we do want to see is us again come up, retest this area before we reject it and continue moving lower. I believe if we get a nice rejection off the 644 area, we should have enough momentum to kind of move down to the 642 area, which is what I'm possibly looking for. For calls, anything above 646, I'm going to be looking for calls above that. I do want to see us have the momentum to continue moving higher, depending on the news that we have dropping. But I feel like that we don't have enough news catalysts to continue pushing us higher. So I think that we might have a little bit of a pullback, depending on, again, the way the price action looks. Currently on the overnight into this morning's pre-market session, we are in a downwards trend. ES. Pretty much almost the same thing. I do want to see us kind of come back up into this 64.76 area, kind of prove that this is turning resistance, and then continue moving lower. Based off of this huge, large engulfing candle that we had on Friday. So I do want to see is if we kind of have that momentum continue moving lower. If we do, I'm going to look to short, below this area to then continue moving lower. I'm also going to look to short this area to then continue moving lower. Depending on what the price action looks like, I think that we might have a nice move down to the bottom at this 64.44 area if we can get that momentum. Other from that is the watch list I have for today. I hope you guys have a great trading day and a great trading session. Let me know what you guys are looking for in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.